Hello and welcome to phuketpals GED Express with me, teacher Marky. Today's lesson focuses on GED mathematics, specifically for order of operations such as PEMDAS. Now, at the end of the discussion, every one of you should be able to give, every one of you should have a better understanding on the order of operation and practice problems and quizzes that are included to assist in the lesson. Now, what does order of operation means? Now, order of operation means that would be the order in which you solve a math problem with many components. Now, the first rule of order of operation is PEMDAS or PEMDAS. Now, if you want to memorize this acronym right away, you can use the mnemonics "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," which later on I will discuss on the next slide. Now, P on the PEMDAS means parenthesis. So the first step of the order of operation is parenthesis. If you see a specific parenthesis on a specific equation, you need to prioritize solving this first. On this case, 6 times 3, that would give you 18. And then bring down the number that is outside the parenthesis and do the last solution. 18 plus 2, that will give you 20. And next would be exponents. The second step of the order of operation is exponents. So suppose we have here this example. So we prioritize first the number, or we prioritize first solving the number inside the parentheses. So 3 plus 2, that will give you 5. And then you proceed with expanding the exponent. So 5 raised to 2, basically that means 5 multiplied to itself. So 5 times 5, that will give you 25. And you will arrive with this equation. Suppose we have a number which is 3 outside this parenthesis, and you need to sum it up with the one inside the parenthesis. So after simplifying this number, like 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 raised to 2, that will give you 25. You go with the last process of solving the equation. So 25 plus 3, that will give you 28. Now, next part of our order of operation is multiplication. So this will be the third step. And suppose we have here 6 times 4, which is equal to 24. So this is like multiplication itself. So in this case, we have another example. So our first priority here is parenthesis. So 3 minus 2, that will give you 1. And then after that, you go with our next operation, which is exponent. 1 raised to 2, that will still be 1 because you are just multiplying 1 to itself. So 1 times 1, that is 1. Bring down the next operation, that would be times 4. Since this is the third step, what will become 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Now, for the fourth priority, that would be division. Now, suppose we have here 8 divided by 2, so we have here the symbol for division. The answer would become 4, and we try to apply that on an equation. So, for example, we have a number inside the parenthesis, so we will prioritize this first. 3 times 6, that is 18. And then after that, we will prioritize the next, which is in division. So 8 divided by 2, that is 4. And we bring down the unit here to arrive with our final answer. So 18 plus 4 is equal to 22. Now, the fifth step of the order of operation is addition. This would be the second to the last. Suppose we have 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. We put that on a specific equation, or let's take a look at this example. Suppose we have here division and we have here addition. We need to prioritize first division because this operation comes first before addition and our mnemonics, which is PEMDAS. So 4 divided by 2, that is 2, and then we bring down here 3, so 3 plus 2, that would give you, oh, I put the wrong number, so we try to change it. The answer here is 5. So the answer is 5. Answer here is 5, and the answer here is 5. So the last step of the order of operation is subtraction. Suppose we have 16 minus 4, that will give you 12, or we use this specific equation. So we have a number inside the parenthesis, 2 plus 2, that will give you 4. That is our first priority. And then after that, 4 raised to 2, or 4 multiplied to itself, that will give you 16. So 18, bring this down, the minus sign. So 18 minus 16, that will give you 2. Good job. Now let's have a practice. Now you copy the following problems into your notebook and practice them. You can pause the video for a while and check your answer if it's right. So pause it for a while and copy this and solve it on your own without using any calculator. Now the answer would be this one. Let's have another look at this one. So 4 raised to 2, you can pause for a while and then check it. And we will have the answers at the last part of the video. Now, next we have here this one. Oops. The answer to that would be the answers to that would be this one. So for the practice exercises, the answer are this. So you can check your answer. And we also have this one for practice answers. So you may check your answer with that. And we have here this practice problem, like what you have solved, this one and this one. So for the answers to that will give you this one. And another would be this one. Okay, now that will be all for today, and for the references that I have used, that would still be macro wheel preparation for GED test and Nelson Math 2017. Now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find this video useful. If you find it so, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you want to connect with us, just visit www.phuketpals.org or go to our Facebook page at facebook.com/phuketpals. Or if you have questions regarding our organization, you can give us a message through line or give us a call at 081-417-0978. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next screencast. Goodbye, everyone.